Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to buy an Apple gift card with Binance. Okay, so what you need to do is jump into coinsb.com, create an account. You can do that by clicking on this icon on the top right hand side. Once you've created an account, you'll just get an email to verify your account, and then right at the top you're going to type in Apple and you will get to this page over here. Now this is where you will actually buy an Apple gift card. You can learn more about Apple, their instructions, as well as their terms and conditions. You then need to select the region that you're in. So let us go and select a region and then select the amount of your gift card. Now they have a drop down menu that you can use, and we can just select from here. Then it'll tell you an estimated price with the choice of crypto that you're using. Again, you can use the drop down menu, and depending on what crypto you have available in your Binance account, you can use that. I'm going to stick to Bitcoin and it'll give you an estimate. You can click on buy now or add to cart if you'd like to continue making a purchase. Ultimately, you will find yourself in your cart page. On the left hand side, you can see what you're purchasing. It'll give you the amount, and then if you have a discount code or a gift card code, you can add it in over here. But on the right hand side, it says enter your email to receive the order. Enter your email and click on continue. Now this generally should be the email address that you have created your Binance account with. Here you will see select a payment method, and as you go down again you can see the coin type, so make sure that you're choosing that coin type, and then the network type, and make sure that the network type is correct. You'll go down over here and you'll see Binance Pay. You're going to go and click on that, and let's just choose that Bitcoin again, and once you've done so you will go down. You can either have your email added to their newsletter, but you need to agree to their execution of contract and then confirm your purchase. Now, once you've confirmed your purchase, you'll see within a few seconds, you'll get this screen over here. You'll have about 10 minutes to authorize this. So you can see the amount and then the address. You're going to take the address, copy it, and go and paste it into your Binance account, and within the next few minutes you will have your Apple gift card. I hope this was helpful.